Introduction to Robotics Field Service Engineering.
Robotics field service engineers play a vital role in keeping automated systems running smoothly. These professionals travel to customer sites, diagnose issues, perform maintenance, and ensure robots work efficiently. Their work combines technical know-how with problem-solving and communication skills, making each day dynamic and rewarding.
Starting the day, preparing and planning.
A typical day begins by reviewing the schedule and preparing tools and spare parts. Engineers check emails for urgent service requests or updates. Planning routes, coordinating with clients, and ensuring all necessary documentation is ready are key steps before heading out to various industrial or commercial sites.
On-site duties, diagnosis and repair.
At customer locations, engineers inspect robotic systems for malfunctions or wear. They use diagnostic tools to pinpoint problems, then repair or replace faulty parts. Safety protocols are strictly followed. Whether solving mechanical, electrical, or software issues, clear documentation of procedures and results is essential.
Collaboration and communication.
Field service engineers often work alongside plant managers, machine operators, and technical staff, explaining issues, providing training, and offering recommendations on robot maintenance are important parts of the job. Good communication helps prevent future breakdowns and builds trust with clients.
Continuous learning and career growth.
Because robotics technology evolves rapidly, ongoing training is essential. Field service engineers stay up to date by attending workshops, completing certifications, or learning about new systems and software. This commitment to learning not only improves job performance, but also opens doors to advanced roles in robotics and automation.